Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to start off by doing my brows, and for that I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Kit. I love starting off with my brows as it helps me do my makeup better. Next, I will be putting on my eye primer. Priming the eyes is always essential. So as you can see, this is the palette and the colors are so glamorous, so beautiful and so buttery. I'm going to be starting off with the shade Gold Karma. It's a light orange brown shade and I'll be going over my entire lid with this shade. As you can see, blending it is very easy and there does not seem to be any fallout as of now. And the shades are very buttery. And the pigmentation is also quite good. I will then be going in with the shade called Vortex. It's a dark brown shade and I'll be going on my outer V and I will be putting it on my crease to just get in a little depth and definition into my eyes. And this again is another very blendable shade. And then I will be going in with Haze. I will be applying haze to my lid and oh my god, the pigmentation is absolutely beautiful. It does not even need like a lot of product and the colors are just so beautiful. So once I blend that in, you have to ensure to blend it in with Vortex, the dark brown shade. I will then be going in with Mercury, and now this creamy metallic shade I like to apply with my finger, as this definitely applies a lot more better when you do it with the finger. Then going in with Nebula, it's a sparkly silvery blue shade and just a little goes a very long way. So this is definitely clamming up my eye look. Next I will be going in with Cosmic just for my teardrop area. I will then be going in with a precise defined winged eyeliner using my Maybelline eyeliner, and there we go. Now I will be starting off my face, and first we will prime the face and then I will be going in with my foundation. I love going in with my HD foundation as it's just so much more better and it gives a very flawless base. I like blending it with my brush as it does a very good job. I prefer doing my makeup with the brushes rather than a beauty blender. So once your base is flawlessly blended, you're gonna have to set it with banana powder. But before that, we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna be concealing under my eyes, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and my chin. For the concealer, I like using a beauty blender and my brush to give it a complete coverage and a completely blended, flawless look. Next, to just set it with my translucent powder, because that is something I have to do. So I'm just gonna bake under my eyes, and until then, I'll be going in with my blush. I'm gonna go for a more pink blush this time. And I want to give it the color to my cheeks and just let it be there. Next, I want to contour the sides of my face and my hairline and the jaw and also the sides of the nose. So once you do that, you have to ensure you blend it all well because we do not want any sort of sharp lines. To set my makeup after dusting off the translucent powder, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal setting spray and then I will be going in with my highlighter, as this brings a lot better glow. This highlighter is just absolutely beautiful and it just brings out that pop of color right there. I'll be applying it on the bridge of my nose and also under my eyebrows. I will then be going in with a coral shade for my lips. And with this, my look is complete. So I must say that this palette is absolutely beautiful, very buttery shades and very blendable. And it definitely is worth the cost of it, but it's something you really should invest in as the colors are absolutely beautiful. I hope you liked watching this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And do hit the notification bell. Thank you.